Very good morning, all. So yesterday we have discussed about configuration, open loop, closed loop configuration. In that we have discussed about positive feedback and negative feedback. What are the advantages of negative feedback over positive? Today we are going to start exact syllabus. The first topic of module 4. The module 4 is about op-amp with feedback and general applications. So first we are going to discuss about how the operational amplifier will behave with negative feedback. So as I told you yesterday, the four important parameters, how to characterize any amplifier. So what are those characteristics? Are four important parameters? Anyone? Yesterday I told you about, in the last slide we discussed the four important parameters. What are those parameters? Yes. If you are talking about any amplifier, what is the important thing?
Voltage gain,
Voltage, input impedance,
Input impedance.
output impedance,
Yes.
bandwidth.
Bandwidth. So there are four important parameters: voltage gain, input and output impedance, and bandwidth. So now, so here I have written your four voltage series feedback amplifier. Again you have four topologies based on the current or voltage in series with the input. So let me repeat, there are four different types of topologies. How we are going to connect with respect to input. That is, feedback means you know that output to input you are going to connect. If it is a positive feedback means you are going to connect output to the in phase with the input terminal. Here I connected to the negative terminal. You can observe this output is connected to negative terminal. It is out of phase and it is, I can say, it is a negative feedback. So here this voltage series. So we are connected the output voltage in series with the input. So next, if it is a shunt connection, I can say it is voltage shunt feedback amplifier. There are four topologies as I told you: voltage series, voltage shunt, current series, current shunt. So among the prescribed for your syllabus is voltage series feedback amplifier. So here, can you tell me it is an inverting or non-inverting amplifier? Yes, anyone?
Inverting.
So carefully, there are given input here, positive terminal and negative.
Non-inverting.
inverting
Now
one.
what?
Non-inverting, because you can observe V in is given to the non-inverting terminal. It is a non-inverting feedback amplifier. So now I hope is it clear. Voltage series means you are going to connect. We'll be talking about voltage and current in series or parallel fashion. So four topologies: voltage series, voltage shunt, current series. Among four, we are going to study voltage series for inverting as well as non-inverting. So here the main intention is to find out, you have to find out the gain. So voltage gain with feedback AF, and input impedance with feedback RIF, output impedance or output resistance with feedback ROF, and bandwidth will be FF. So bandwidth FF with feedback. So these are the notations you need to find out with feedback, because we are talking about feedback. So AF is a closed loop gain with feedback. RIF is an input impedance or input resistance with feedback, output resistance with feedback, bandwidth with feedback. So these four derivation have to be done for the circuit. So I hope the circuit is clear here. So same as your non-inverting circuit itself, the only thing load is added here. So this is common ground they have made. So V in, one terminal is connected to the positive and should be grounded. Here also it is grounded. I hope if I write like this, it is easy for you. So negative, positive, they are giving input to positive terminal. So what you have come across the circuit, the same circuit written. So the negative terminal will be grounded, and this is your R1, this is RF. You are giving input to the positive terminal. Same circuit, just observe carefully. So R1 grounded and V in ground. So here you are going to ground. These two ground are shorted here. and load resistor ground is also shorted. And they have written here plus terminal, means non-inverting terminal, whereas here it is inverting terminal. Same circuit, RL is extra. Is this clear with the circuit? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here load resistor is added towards output, and here you have to supply plus and minus, and here terminal 1 is your non-inverting terminal denoted as V1, and this is V2. Always when you are going to differentiate the two signals, we can write it as VID. VID stands for? Yes?
Input voltage difference, ma'am.
Yes, difference in input voltage. So difference in input voltage, so that's V1 minus V2. And then you have observed here VF, feedback voltage. So this is a feedback resistor and R1. So this is a feedback circuit. You're supposed to find out what is the gain of a feedback circuit. How it is going to increase the gain of a non-inverting amplifier. And then you are giving input to the non-inverting terminal. So it is a non-inverting voltage series feedback amplifier. So here the first step is you have to find out open loop gain. What is the open loop gain? No change in the open loop gain. So what is the expression? Any idea?
V out by V in, ma'am.
Yeah, open loop gain will be, it is output by
Input, ma'am, voltage.
input. What input? We have two inputs here. So I am supposed to write VID. So V0 by VID. That is open loop gain. Here I am not talking about any feedback. It is open loop. So next, what about closed loop gain? So closed loop gain means with feedback. You are going to close, that is from output to input. So you have notation is AF. So AF will be again output voltage by input voltage. So next, gain of feedback circuit. So gain of feedback circuit, it will be denoted as capital B. So always the feedback gain will be VF by V0. So with respect to V0, so it is VF by V0. So these are the basics. So before going to start deriving with closed loop gain. So next, you need to find out here negative feedback. So how exactly your input are going to be effect. So the first thing is negative feedback. What you have to do is you need to apply a KVL to the input circuit. So this side. So if you apply a KVL here, what is the expression you will get? Just apply KVL to this side, towards input side. What is the expression? It is VID minus, just imagine your positive and negative. So you're moving this loop. Just apply KVL to this loop, VID. You're moving from positive to negative, minus V in, and then you're going to negative to positive. So what is the expression now? V in plus Vf. Is correct. So now what is VID? VID will be V in minus Vf. Any doubt in the expression? So VID is the difference in input voltage, V1 minus V2. Vin is the input voltage applied to non-inverting terminal, and Vf is a feedback voltage. So always the input voltage will be, we are subtracting with the feedback voltage. So this feedback voltage is going to be opposite the input. Okay. So just to tell you about the feedback voltage opposes the input voltage. So for that, this is an expression. Is this clear with the first expression? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next we'll go to the second closed loop gain. So closed loop gain, we have written here AF V0 by Vin, or sometimes V0 is equal to AVID from this expression. So A is V0 by VID. So our V0 is equal to A times VID. So what is VID? Difference in input voltage. So what is the difference in input voltage? A into V1 minus V2. Yes. So now what is V1 here in the circuit? V1 is Vin. What is V2? V2, what is the voltage you are giving to V2?
Yep.
Vf.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, V1 is Vin, V2 is equal to Vn. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now V2, that is Vf. Just observe, this looks like a voltage divider circuit. So what I'll do is let me write the circuit voltage divider part. So you're supposed to find out this Vf value, and this is Vf, this is Rf, and this is R1. What your voltage divider rule says? What is Vf now? The feedback voltage, the supply voltage V0 into R1. Yes.
Divided by RF plus R1.
Divided by
Divided by sum of the resistance. What is the sum of resistance? R1 plus
Plus R1.
Rf. So R1 plus Rf. So this is about your Vf. Yes. So I have taken. Shall I repeat off the second part? Or if not,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
shall I repeat off now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we need to substitute into expression 2. So substitute the value of V1 and V2. So V0 is equal to V1 is Vin. I have to write A into V1 is Vin minus V2 is V0 into R1 divided by sum of the resistance, that is from voltage divider. So now if you simplify this, let it be outside, Vin into R1 plus Rf minus V0 into R1 4 divided by R1 plus Rf. Just have taken LCM and I simplified. Now V0 is equal to A into Vin R1 plus Rf minus AV0 R1 4 divided by R1 plus Rf. So just tell me what is V0? V0 into R1 plus Rf plus AV0 R1 equals AV1 R1 plus Rf. So now tell me what is V0 from this. Take the common factors and tell me what is V0. What is the expression you will get? So if you take V naught as common, you will get V naught in R1 plus RF plus AR1. That should be equal to AV in R1 plus RF. So what is V naught by V in now?
A
Yes.
into
A into
R1 plus RF
R1 plus RF
divided by
divided by
R1 plus RF plus AR1.
plus AR. Yes. So what is V naught by V in? Just observe in this closed loop gain I have written. What is V naught by V in?
AF.
V naught by V in is AF. What is AF? AF is closed loop gain with feedback.
Close.
With feedback.
Yes, with feedback. So now, if you want to make this is exact analysis. What we have done according to circuit, exact. So how to get an ideal feedback closed loop gain? So in that, so as you all know that the open loop gain A is it low or high? What is the open loop gain of an operational amplifier?
High.
It is infinite, yes. So with this, in this factor, which is higher? R1 plus RF is higher or AR1 is higher?
AR1 is high.
Yeah, R1.
AR1 is higher. So AR1 is higher, is much greater than R1 plus RF. So R1 plus RF is very less, negligible. So what I do is in denominator I'll discard this, I'll retain only AR1. I hope you have copied this also. I'll rub it off. So now AF will be A into R1 plus RF divided by AR1. So AA get cancelled. Will be left out with R1 plus RF by R1. This can also be written as 1 plus RF by R1. Any doubt? So this is ideal. Ideal, it is particularly for op-amp. So this is according to circuit exact analysis what we have got the closed loop gain. This is an ideal value. As you all know that I shown you in the yesterday's also. So it is gain of non-inverting is 1 plus RF by R1. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now,
Yes.
what is the gain of a feedback circuit? What is the notation?
VF by V naught.
Is capital B, Vf by V naught. And from voltage divider rule, you got it as V naught into R1. So, sorry, it is R1 plus Rf. Because Vf is V naught into R1 by R1 plus Rf. So, Vf by V naught will be R1 by R1 plus Rf. So, just what is AF now? AF is R1 plus RF by R1, whereas B is reverse. Are you agree? Just observe this expression and this. Is it reciprocal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now, can I write AF or A is equal to 1 by B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, or I can say closed loop gain ideal value. This is for ideal. So always the closed loop gain and feedback circuit will be reciprocal of it. So this is a generalized block diagram.
Ma'am, the notations are not clearly visible, ma'am.
Nutan?
Notations are not visible, ma'am, in the third part.
In the third column?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that is a summation. You have the gain, open loop gain A. So here you are giving an input V in, that is positive. Positive is input terminal V in, and negative we have given a feedback, voltage, negative feedback. So you have a feedback gain. Gain of a feedback circuit is V. You are feeding your output to input, negative terminal of a input. So A is an open loop gain, B is a gain of feedback circuit. You have a summer here, it is going to sum. So after the summing, you are going to get a difference input voltage. V1 minus V2. V1 is V in, V2 is Vf. Just a generalized block diagram to show how the feedback given. So next is so you got an expression AF as R1 plus RF into A divided by R1 plus RF. I am talking about the previous expression itself. So we have compared AR1 is much greater than this. The same expression I have taken here. What you have to do is you have to divide both numerator and denominator by R1 plus RF. Divide this expression both numerator and denominator by R1 plus RF. So what is the expression you will get? So R1 plus RF by R1 plus RF into A 4 divided by R1 plus RF by R1 plus RF plus AR1 divided by R1 plus RF. So just to get to the gain, closed loop gain in terms of these terms. So AB terms and gain ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ manipulation. That's it. So now this R1 plus RF, this R1 plus RF get cancelled. Left out is, what is the expression you will get? AF is equal to A 4 divided by 1 plus AR1 by R1 plus RF. What is R1 plus R1 by R1 plus RF?
B.
It is B. So now, can I write this as A by 1 plus AB? So this is, you are supposed to remember to solve the problems. AF is A by 1 plus AB. So now AF is a closed loop gain, A is a open loop gain, B is a gain of a feedback circuit, and AB is a loop gain. Is this clear? Let me repeat. AF is a closed loop gain, that is with feedback. A is a open loop gain without feedback. And B is a gain of a feedback circuit. And AB is a loop gain. Let us this black diagram. Is it finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, B is the open loop gain without feedback.
Hmm?
B is the open loop gain without feedback.
Oh no. B is gain of feedback circuit.
Okay.
A is open loop gain. B is gain of feedback circuit. AB is a loop gain. Okay. Next we'll move on to the third one. Difference input voltage ideally 0. So difference input voltage ideally 0 means what? What will happen to V1 and V2?
They will be equal, ma'am.
Yes, they will be same. Then only difference will be 0. So what I mean to say about this is, they are telling VID is 0. Difference input voltage is 0. This will happen only when V1 is equal to V2. So then what is the gain? A is equal to V0 by VID. So V0 by V1 minus V2. Both are same here. So it is 0. Anything by 0?
Infinity, ma'am.
Anything by 0 is infinite. So A is infinity. Now, you know that from the circuit, what is V1? What is V2? What is V1? V1 is
V1
non-inverting.
is V.
V
What is
in, ma'am.
V2? V in.
V in.
V1 is
V2
V
is
in.
VF.
V1 is V in. What is V2?
VF, ma'am.
V2 is Vn. What is
Yeah.
the V value? Voltage divider circuit.
V naught R1 by RF plus R1.
V0 R1 by R1 plus Rf. Equate both. So if you equate both V1 and V2, you will get Vin is equal to V0 into R1 by R1 plus Rf. So now let me take V0 by Vin. It is R1 plus Rf by R1 R1 plus Rf by R1. This is nothing but your feedback gain. So just I equated V1 and V2. Just I manipulated. So you'll get V0 by Vin as R1 plus Rf by R1. That can also be written as 1 plus Rf by R1. So you have written in the beginning, closed loop gain with feedback is V0 by Vin. I have written as AF. Is this clear now? What
Yes,
will
ma'am.
happen if you take a difference input voltage?
V1 will be equal to
Yes, Kirtan. V1 equal to V2. V1 value is Vin and V2 value is nothing but your VF.
Minus V2. V1 is equal to minus V2. Difference.
Yes, difference is there, but you're not taking your negative, just you're considering normal voltage only. your sign doesn't matter. It is negative feedback itself. So we are not talking about any negative things. Just a closed loop gain. What is the value of V2? Generalized. Just observe your circuit, feedback circuit. So feedback voltage is same as V2 value. V1 minus V2. Or V1 is equal to V2. Don't confuse with the negative sign. Here we are not talking any negative sign here. Just we are taking the values, that's it. What is V1, what is V2? V2 is feedback circuit. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Copying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy down. Can I repeat the first part?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is we are going to find out input resistance with feedback. Same circuit, I have written here internal resistance and output resistance here with a gain. Gain sometimes you can denote as a D, a G or sometimes K. Now they are taken as G into VID. So you know that gain is V0 by VID. So V0 will be G times VID. So same thing written here, it is grounded here. So we are finding input resistance, that's why this will be grounded. So when you are finding output resistance, this will be grounded. That is Thevenin's theorem we need to apply here. So now input resistance as shown you during PPT, it is going to be differentiate between two signals. The internal resistance is connected between V1 and V2. This is the internal equivalent circuit. I told you that day you have to remember this. So same circuit here. So positive V1 is connected to Vin and V2 is connected with Vn. Same circuit, internal resistance include ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ output resistance ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು gain factor. Nothing different. Same as your first circuit. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll move on to the derivation now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here, so what is RIF now? This is VID. What is RIF? What is resistance, first of all? Resistance is voltage by
Voltage by current.
voltage by current. Now I am talking about internal resistance. What is the internal voltage? Our input voltage. V in. By what is the current, input current?
0, ma'am.
I in.
No, that is okay, that is 0. We need, so inside the op-amp, none of the current will be flows. I'll agree, ideally. But here, the input current is due to input voltages IE in. So now, so next, what is IE in? Can you write this current as in terms of voltage by resistance? Now just observe, I in is between the difference input voltages VID by what is the resistance? RI.
Alright.
So can I write I in as VID by RI? Are you agree? Current is
Yes,
voltage by
ma'am.
resistance. Difference in voltage by input resistance. Okay? Next, what is feedback gain? So here, just you have to do some manipulation. It is V naught is 1 plus AB into V in. Any doubt in this expression? ಇದು closed loop gain AF is equal to V naught by V into A by 1 plus AB. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ V naught is equal to A by 1 plus AB into V in. ನಾನು ಇದು closed loop gain expression ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. From this I'll find out V in. What is V in? V in ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? V naught into 1 plus AB.
All divided by A.
Yeah. Next, similarly, what is VID? VID is what? Open loop gain and VID ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is the open loop gain? A is
V in minus VF. V in minus VF.
V naught by VID. Open loop gain A is V naught by VID. From this, what is VID?
V naught by AM.
V
A
naught
is
by
V naught
V
by
naught by
A.
A.
Okay, V naught by A. Okay, substitute these two in the expression 1. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Substitute V in value and VID value and tell me left out what you will get.
One plus AB, ma'am.
1 plus AB, only 1 plus AB?
Divided by RI.
Huh? RI shift ಎಲ್ಲಿಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 plus AB is correct. With that, one more term you fix.
R into 1 plus AB ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, RI into 1 plus AB ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you got the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So RI here is equal to V in is V naught into 1 plus AB by A that whole divided by V naught by A, that divided by Ri. This is VID, this is by Ri. So V naught by A cancelled. This Ri shift to numerator. So Ri into 1 plus AB. So RIF. So input resistance with feedback is 1 plus AB times the input resistance without feedback. So RIF idiyalla adu 1 plus AB times RI andre without feedback. So input resistance with feedback is 1 plus AB times the input resistance without feedback. Okay. Is this clear with the input resistance?
Yes, ma'am.
So next class we'll take about output resistance and gain derivation. So now I hope you can solve this. Okay, now solve this problem. What is the answer for second question?
Closed loop, ma'am.
A feedback amplifier is also
Closed
called
loop.
as closed loop amplifier. Okay. Next. What is the gain?
$2.5, ma'am.
Yes, here they have given V0 and Vf. They are asking for B. Gain of the feedback circuit is B. B, what is the formula for B?
VF by V naught, ma'am.
Vf by V0. So 10 by 4, you will get 2.5 volts.
2.5.
Okay, similarly, do it for this. Meanwhile, let me take the attendance. USN 50,
Present, ma'am.
51, Hemashri, 52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 55, Jagdish present, 56,
Present, ma'am. 2.3 volts.
57, 57 present, Jayant, Shukla, 58,
Yes, ma'am.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60,
Present, ma'am.
61,
Present, ma'am.
62,
Present, ma'am.
63,
Present, ma'am.
64,
Present, ma'am.
65,
Present, ma'am.
66,
Present, ma'am.
67, 68, 69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Present, ma'am.
71,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
76,
76 present, ma'am.
77,
Present, ma'am.
78,
Present, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80,
Present, ma'am.
81,
Present, ma'am.
Hmm. 82. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ದು ಇದೆ 41 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈಗ 39 ಜನ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದೆ ನಿನ್ನೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ 82 ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ 82
Present, ma'am.
83
Present.
84
Present, ma'am.
85 86
Present, ma'am.
87
Present, ma'am.
88 89
Present, ma'am.
90 Purnima 91
Present, ma'am.
92 93
Present, ma'am.
94 Preksha
Ma'am.
95
Present, ma'am.
96
Present, ma'am.
97
Present, ma'am.
98
Present, ma'am.
99
Present, ma'am.
100
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me what is the answer for this?
2.3 volts.
2.3 volts.
2.3 volts, ma'am.
Okay, 2.3 volts. You have to use the formula R1 by R1 plus RF. Okay. V naught is also given. Then you will get 2.3 volts. What is the answer for this?
None of the above. None of the mentioned.
None of the above.
Define the input resistance with feedback for voltage series feedback amplifier. So none of them mentioned because here, yeah,
R1.
RI is missing. Okay, is this clear with today's concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next class we'll take up with output resistance and feedback or bandwidth with feedback. Okay, shall we leave the session now?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Thank you all.
Thank you.